Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. I am going to show you where the next section of Okalo is going to be built out on, and also the next section of LaGrange is going to be built out on. From my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you get a lot of turkey and a lot of pumpkin pie. As you can see here, we're flying on the west side of the Woodlands Championship Golf Club here, golf course, and you can see they're going to have executive and premier homes down through here, some sort of villas or verandas. And if you see on the other side of the trees, yes, that is the prison. It's a very large complex. Here we are flying south. You can see that by the top of the screen, and that is Central Lake down there. We're going to fly down to Central Lake and take a left. You can see we're heading east along Central Lake. You can see Sunset Island, Eastport, and this is the village of LaGrange. We're going to fly over to the new residential area behind the postal center of LaGrange and check it out. Don't know if this is going to be a designer home neighborhood or it's going to be villas. Here we are flying back west across LaGrange, checking out the lots. This is a nice court. There's some really nice lots here on this court here. Golf course views, water views. We'll head a little bit to the west and fly north. Check out these lots here. You can see these lots here on the left and right of the road. They both have golf course views. I would say where the walls are at, those are going to be verandas. Into the built out section of Okalo here. I haven't been on this section for a while. But check out all those houses. You can see if anybody's done any good landscaping down through here. But you can see the grass is coming really nice. We're going to turn to the west. You can check out the golf course, the pond. There's a bunch of algae in this pond, but that is good for the small fish that are growing in there. Gives them a place to hide from predators. We'll fly south. Like I said, this is the village of Okalo, and they always have these clumps of trees. Of hollows, I guess. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day. Plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and a neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. We'll check out the rec center here. We'll fly around, get a real good view of it. And you can see it is some decorated with some nice brightly colors. You can see that the pool is not filled up, but the bright colors represent probably the hot air balloons, because you know all the hot air balloons have bright colors. You can see they're coming along with the rec center here. Now let's go over and check out the. Let's go check out the golf club over here. See how it's doing. Got some really nice palm trees out in the front. The golf course is very busy and crowded. You can see all the golfer carts down there for the golf course. We'll fly around. You can see it is really busy. And since it is open, it has been non-stop. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video of mine that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy.